everyone, you are about to watch our screencast about how to get a citizenship in Russia. Let's go! Alright, so here is the commercial offer of getting a Russian citizenship. Okay, so there are two procedures how you can get the citizenship. The first one is through the general procedure, which means that if you already have the permanent residence permit, which is VNG, then after 5 years of having it, you can apply for citizenship. Here you can check it, general procedure and simplified. So then after this 5 years, you can apply for the citizenship, and after 1 year, this is the period of consideration, you'll be granted with the citizenship. Option 2 is the simplified procedure, and there are certain legal grounds how can you use this simplified procedure. So you can check these 12 legal grounds in order to apply for citizenship. Let's go further. Oh yeah, and the big advantage is that the consideration period is only 3 months after you get accepted, not 1 year. So here you can check out the stages of work. First, as usual, we'll sign the contract in terms of reference, and then we need to collect certain documents and prepare them. Of course, it depends. The package of documents, it depends on the legal ground which we'll use in order to apply for citizenship. Okay, please be prepared that all documents which are in foreign language must be translated and notarized. Okay, let's go further. Our service includes the accompaniment to the migration authority. So when we got accepted, that means that after 3 months, you will get the citizenship. Please check here, what documents do you need to have with you. Okay, so the cost of procedure is 90,000 rubles. As always, we have the advance payment, which is not refundable. After you pay this advance payment, we start working on the case, and you pay the rest only after we get accepted by the migration authority. So again, the main idea is to be accepted because the migration authority would refuse when we're trying to submit our documents. By the way, usually they indicate that the package of documents has some sort of mistakes or errors in translation or something like this. So we have to be very accurate because here we're on the same page. We just don't want to go to the migration authority many times, and we also would like to do everything within one trip. So here you can check the payment options and overhead costs. The state fee is 3,500. Of course, you have to do the medical examinations, and yeah, this is the approximate cost for the notarized translation of your document. Also check out the additional services, and I wish you good luck on having the citizenship in Russia. Stay tuned to Braiden Consulting. Thank you for watching our screencast. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, and all our social media. Stay tuned.